Where'd you start out from right here then? I mean, where was this parked at?
This is just down the road at my boss's shop.
Razor Construction?
Yeah.
This is a Gaylord groomer here. He's, well here, get in the video. He don't want to be on the video. Wanted criminal. Anyways, he's heading from here up to Indian River. And it's now Wednesday night, wind's blowing, still snowing, and I don't know, sounds good. He's tanning too, and Gaylord has 2 groomers out right now, right? Okay. Another 7:45 a.m. view of my truck out here at the lake. Snow slowed up some, but looks like we got a couple more inches since last night. And we'll see what it looks like on the way to Frederick this morning. This is Thursday morning. Don't you think this is the way winter's supposed to look? Look at these trees. This is so awesome back here. Lots of snow. I don't know if there's still more coming today or not, but let her keep rolling. Here we are Thursday morning in Frederick. I just saw 2 sleds coming from the gas station getting on the trail. I'm not sure on the inch measurement here since last night, but I plowed all this in front of the building last night before I left. I measured at home this morning 9 inches in my yard and 10.5 inches on the picnic table. Alright, these guys just rode in here from Grayling. I plowed out here already this morning, and there's already another almost 2 inches. And they're at the day's end.
Looking pretty good. About a foot out on the trails right now. From Grayling to here, we got the only track. So, nobody else. Yeah, there's really no one out right now.
There was 4. So anyways, snowing a lot harder here than it is in Grayling, right?
All the way we got our Grayling, it snowed hard all the way here. And there's at least a foot of snow. It's all powder. Great riding. No one in sight though, but you're seeing craters come up.
I need to get out there.
Yeah.
Instead of plowing. Alright, thanks guys.
Now,
where are you guys from?
Lansing, we're from Lansing, Michigan.
Hey. Zeus, Coney Island. I identify all places by Coney